Euro yen long-term forecast for the week of August 13, fxempire.com. Euro yen had a bearish week again as the downtrend continued. The euro is in serious trouble against most currencies at the moment, and the Japanese yen will certainly be no different than those. As you can see on the chart, we have a downtrend line placed. It's a little bit more clear on the daily charts, but it's certainly there, that has continued to play havoc against the euro in this pair. In a world where risk off trade seems to be the one favored, this pair will continue to go lower as the buying of it is considered, begin quote, risky, end quote. Uh, Not that the euro itself is a risky currency under normal circumstances, just that it's a little bit more risky than a currency like the Japanese yen. Although, in recent months, it certainly has been more risky than most currencies because of the obvious problems going on in that part of the world. The one thing you need to pay attention to is, though, if you start to sell rallies in this market, as we have done on shorter time frames or selling fresh lows, is the dollar yen. As long as that pair remains somewhat stable, this pair can continue to drift lower. But if the dollar yen starts to melt down along with the euro yen, then we have risk of Japanese intervention. In that particular case, this pair could rise in sympathy as the Japanese yen gets sold off across the board. However, having said that, if we break the trend line, we think that the 100 mark should come into play as massive resistance, and we would just simply look to be shorting up there instead of down here. We see absolutely no reason to buy this pair.